I don't know if you can hear the exhaust, but it's lovely. Oh my god. Chapati spotted, Chapati spotted. AMG GT. Guys, we are leaving from the event and I'm making this a separate vlog. So, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Personal Manager and you are watching Automania. So, I think you have watched this episode where we showed the event Revolution 2022. I hope you liked it. If you haven't watched it, the link is given in the description box. Please head over there and you can watch the event. It was really a lovely event, guys. बहुत ही अच्छा event था and I thank them for all their love. खाली है, मजा आ रहा है। मैं फिर से पीछे रह गया एज यूजुअल, मुझे गियर अप करने में टाइम लगता है। Oh my God, just look at the way this driver came in. कैसे बस अंदर आया देखा आप लोगों ने। Oh Jesus, what am I seeing, man? Ferrari 888, I mean Ferrari 488 GTV and Z4. It's in my mirrors. It's coming. Oh gosh. This is Kolkata, man. It was doing, and it was going on bad roads actually. It was going on the bad roads, off-roading kind of roads. That's Cherry's twin sister. Just look at the frame. It's like my car and my dream. Fuck. Italian beauty. I don't know if you can hear the exhaust, but it's lovely. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. I can't catch it anymore. It's gone. Just see, tackle these kind of roads. This road is really bad, guys, and it is tackling it. What happened? ओके मुझे लगा बैग ही रिवर्स में चल रहा है। ये ट्रिप तो मेरा फरारी देख के काट रही है, पक्का वहीं पे जा रहा है, धनबाद ही जा रहा है। ये राइड तो फरारी देख के कट जाएगा यार। वो देखो छपड़ी छपड़ी स्पॉटेड, छपड़ी स्पॉटेड। वो देखो वो देखो वो देखो, क्या यार क्या यार, हम भी जोर से चलाते पर ऐसे नहीं। चलिए आपको दिखाते, सॉरी यार। Bentley, yes baby, it's here. Oh my god, the AMG GT. What's up, brothers? Brother, what's up?
Nothing, sir. Only you are down. Nothing. Cannot বন্ধ করে দাও প্রচুর।
That's Bentley Continental GT, and and I'll show you my favorite. Yes, it's over here, the Maniac AMG GT. Let me just take a snap of this. Oh my god. And lucky people. That's Mr. Praveen, I guess. Yes, Mr. Praveen. That is a CLA 45 AMG. Ferrari, the Porsche, the Z4, another Porsche, the Mini Cooper, Z4, and the Porsche Panamera. Just look at it go, man. Just look at it go. Absolute maniac. So ready to go. টাটা করো, টাটা। আমার চ্যানেল আছে দেখো, অটোমেনিয়া। ইয়েস, আমি বাইকে রিভিউ করি। হ্যাঁ, হাই, নাইস মিটিং। আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, চলো हो गया सब्सक्राइब मेरे। ঠিক আছে, এই ব্লগটা রানিং আছে, এটাতে চলে আসবে তাহলে। মিলে গেছে সাবস্ক্রাইবার। হাই, আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, এটা ঘোরাও। Nice baby. Okay, thank you. Goodbye, beautiful ladies. Wow man, wow, दिन बन गया यार। मैंने उस अंकल को कहा कि मेरे YouTube चैनल है देखना है, नेम ऑफ ऑटोमेनिया। It's yes, I know, I'm a subscriber. Wow, that felt nice. This feels nice. And I don't even know where it's from, but when unknown people start recognizing you, So दिन जा रहा है बहुत ही अच्छा. And ये beautiful ladies as in the Bentley Continental GT, then the BMW Z4, the Ferrari 488 GTB, the Porsche Boxster, and especially the Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. Man, dude, the coupe version is the safety car of the Formula 1 World Championship of Mercedes-Benz. This exact same car. Can you imagine? Oh, just insane. ये तो अपने एडविन जाते हुए और ये राहुल ने लिया ये बाइक, द न्यू क्लासिक 350. খেলা হচ্ছে নাকি অরিজিৎ? খেলা হচ্ছে, খেলা পাম্পটা কম আছে রে আমারটাতে, হাওয়াটা একটু কম আছে. এটা খুলে বেরিয়ে এইটা ঠিক আছে, এইটা চলে গেছে, হারিয়ে গেছে. এটা কোথায় পড়ে গেছে? শোরুমেই খুলেছিল তারপর লাগাইনি, তারপরে এই যে chalo, I'll be riding the new classic. This new gen of motorcycles are bloody smooth. She's loud. Ride her properly, she'll make proper noises. Okay, it was a bit vulgar thing I said, but that's the thing. You ride that motorcycle properly and she'll make the perfect noises. Honestly speaking, I love this version of the 350s, the newer engine. The older one, yes, people are fans of that, but I am not at all a fan of that motorcycle. After 60 we get to that turns into a vibrator literally after 80 kph, and this is so smooth at 80. You can cruise all day long without any problems, guys. I am saying because I can say because in my past I used to work with Royal Enfield very closely. So not in showroom or any service, research and development. Yes, I was an engineer as a research and development engineer, and we were there with the development of the motorcycle back then. So J series engine was the first time I rode this motorcycle, first time ever. That was on a dyno, and that was some 5 years back. That is when I rode this motorcycle 5 years back. So yes, 4 to 5 years, around 4 years maybe, 4 years. So around 4 years back I rode this motorcycle for the first time. That time it was not even long. That is that one at that moment research and development was going on the motorcycle. So I rode that in fact in the factory of Royal Enfield. So immediately understood this is something different. It's gonna be a killer product. and it is a clear product, guys. I'm very sure we will see Blackberry fly by now. Oh my god. Joy went crazy. She sounds so sweet. How can you be so sweet, Blackberry? How can you be like this? জয় চললাম তাহলে বেরোচ্ছি বাই 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 গাইস টাটা সি ইউ টাটা 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 So guys, that's it for today's episode of Automania. I hope you liked it. I hope what you saw today. And if you like what video अगर पसंद आया तो आपको पता है क्या करना है. Like the video, comment down below, and share the video with your friends. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Exciting automotive content awaits you. And thank you for all the love and support you have been showering on me for all these months. I am so humbled, guys. So that's the wrap for this episode. फिर मिलेंगे सेम चैनल पे कोई नए व्लॉग के साथ, कोई नए ऑटोमोटिव रिव्यू के साथ, या फिर जनरल व्लॉगिंग या टेक्निकल रिव्यू के साथ. Till then, as I always say, wear your helmets when you're riding, wear your seatbelts while driving, and never drink and drive. This is Prashant Banerjee. You are watching Automania. Signing off. Ta-da!